For this particular problem, since it's a subtraction, let's use our definition of subtraction of adding the opposite by change this to an addition and change the signs here to the opposite signs. So we'll go addition and change the signs all the way across the numerator of our second rational expression. Now, we need to figure out what the common denominator is. To do that, we need to factor our denominators. This particular denominator here factors into x plus 2 times x plus 3. The numerator right now will stay at a 2x. The second denominator factors into x plus 3 times x minus 1. The numerator of negative x minus 1 we will keep the same for now. Now we need to figure out what is one of the rational expressions missing that the other one has in the denominator. This has an x plus 2 times an x plus 3, but it does not have this x minus 1. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by x minus 1. This particular one here has an x plus 3 and an x minus 1 multiplied in the denominator, but it does not have this x plus 2. So we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by an x plus 2. We now must multiply our numerators before we can add. So if you distribute your 2x, that'll give you a 2x squared minus 2x. Here, if you FOIL that, you're going to get a negative x squared minus 2x minus x minus 2. All of that is over our common denominator, which has an x plus 2, an x plus 3, and an x minus 1, all multiplied together. We now can combine our like terms. 2x squared can combine with the negative x squared to get a positive x squared. Negative 2x plus the negative 2x plus the negative x is negative 5x. And we have our negative 2 on the end. That is over our entire denominator of x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 1. We would want to see if we could factor the numerator and cancel with anything in the denominator, but this numerator is not factorable. So your final solution is exactly what we have there of x squared minus 5x minus 2 all over x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 1.